Here's how to block any website on your iPhone in seconds. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down just a bit and tap on the Screen Time option. Here, under the Limits and Restrictions section, tap on Apps and Websites. Now, at the top, tap on the Restrictions option. After that, scroll down to the Website section and tap on Filtering. Here, you will see three options. If you select Limit Adult Websites, your iPhone will block all adult websites. Alternatively, if you select Approved Websites Only, then only the websites you approved will be accessible. To verify, open the Safari app. Tap on the search bar at the top and type the website that you want to visit. You will see the Website Not Allowed text on the screen, and that's it.